At any given moment, the best thing a man can do to give him a great feeling is bust a nut. Today is a Saturday. It's a great day to bust a nut and feel good. It's a great day to stroke the vagina and release some semen. Oh. Don't you dare. Not today. Not today. Another day, not today. In one of my videos, I shared that principle with you. Trick your mind. Fake it till you make it. Tell your mind, not today. When you get the urge to relapse, just say to yourself, oh yeah, I'm going to relapse, but just not today. Today is not the day to relapse. Why? Because I'm in my zone today. I'm in my element today. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling magnetic, attractive, intelligent. My life is getting together. I'm getting my life together today. I'm onto something today. I know what's happening today. I've begun to see the light at the end of the tunnel today. So I tell you, I'm not going to relapse today. Maybe another day. By doing so, another day never comes, because every day is going to be today. Just hold it for me today. Hold it one more day, which is today. Anytime you find a day that's not today, you can bust a nut. Anytime you find a day that's not today, you can relapse. But so long the day is called today, my friend, please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Do the world a favor. Do your woman a favor. Do your children a favor. Do society a favor. Do your parents a favor. Do your job a favor. Do your business a favor. Don't bust it up. Hold it, because it's going to rejuvenate you. It's going to replenish you. It's going to make you bigger, better, faster, stronger, more intelligent, more insightful, more present, more magnetic, more enthusiastic, more motivated. Please hold it. Hold it for us who are sharing good information with you. Hold it for the other man who needs you to be an example. Hold it so that you can accomplish your dream, so that you can have something to show the world. Hold it so that society stop disintegrating. Hold it so that men find a way to come up again. Men has been on a decline in society. Most businesses have mostly women in the leadership. I have attested that. I see it around. I know a lot of businesses right here in Atlanta where the majority of the members in leadership in high management positions are women, because the men are like zombies. Because why? They're fapping every night. They're wasting their semen every night. Their lives are going down. They're going through divorce. They're going to jail. They're losing their family. They're losing their businesses. Because one drop of semen is equal to 6 ounces of blood. That's your life force. So feel free to bust a nut. Feel free to ejaculate. Feel free to relapse. Just not today. When you can come up with a day, when life gives you a day that's not called today, you're free to do so. But so long a day is called today, it's not the day that you're going to fap. It's not the day that you're going to release your semen. It's not the day that you're going to lose that power. It's not the day that you're going to fall into depression again. It's not the day that you're going to dumb yourself down again. It's not the day that you're going to put yourself in the position to make a bad judgment, a poor decision, a poor choice again. Today is not the day for you to get depressed again. Today is not the day for you to fall back in your pursuits again. Today is not the day for you to lose your passion again. Oh, my friend, this is more than just a practice. This is a calling. This is a lifestyle. This is a movement. I'm urging you on. I'm cheering you on. I'm urging you on. Keep that semen, my brother. Oh, I know it. The women are walking half naked. Whew, they're so hot. They're so appealing. That booty is big. That cleavage is calling me. It has my name on it. I look at that booty, I'm like, oh my God, I know how long I can go in it. I can see myself busting all over. You know it. Her back, her titties, her face. The animal in me wants to come out and go for the kill. But God in me says, hold it, not today. Don't talk to her today. No, don't send that text today. Don't make that phone call today. Hold it for one more day. That is for today. Any day that's not today, busting up. But so long the day is called today, we're not busting enough. My friend, it was my vision to come back to help my brothers around the world, because every sector, business, industry, Hollywood, literature, teaching, the government, clergy, every sector has men who are addicted to pornography. Those men are like zombies. They seem to have a ceiling over themselves. They can't pierce through to become the best version of themselves. Those men are lethargic. They lack motivation. They lack magnetism. They lack presence. They lack coherence. When they speak, their ideas are choppy. Their sentences are all over the places. They may be speaking about two diametrically opposed ideas. They lack logic. They're very emotional. They're all over the places. And women look down. And that's one of my pet peeves. That's one of the things that gives me a lot of pain, is to see how women look down on men. Because the man is wasting his semen. He sounds stupid. Even when he talks to you as a man, you're like, holy cow, he sounds so stupid. He looks so distant. He looks so out of it. He's always tired. He always wants to sleep. Let not that be you anymore. You are king. You are legend, because you have heard of semen retention and you have come up, you have answered the call. Now the scepter of power has been extended to you. Reach your hand and grab it. Reach your hand and grab it. Receive the scepter of power. Receive magnetism. Receive enthusiasm. Receive clear vision. Receive power. Receive elevation. Receive intelligence. Receive the scepter of power. Semen retention is the scepter of power that has been extended to you. Would you extend your hand and grab it? Would you extend your hand and receive it? At first, it will be challenging, but I guarantee you, as we have testified to you, as we have come back to talk to you, it's doable, it's possible, and you will love the benefits. Today is not the day to bust that nut. Today is not the day to lose one more man. We're not gonna lose you. We don't wanna lose you today. Please hold it for one more day. And tomorrow will be today again. Hold it for one more day. We need you to be on top of your game to create another business. We need you to be on top of your game to deliver your gifts to the world. We need you to be on top of your game to show the world the particular men that you are, for God to shine through you, for the universe to shine through you. We need you to be on top of your game so you can write that book, build that business, deliver that speech, make that research, come up with that next invention, find that cure for that disease that the world has been baffled by. We need you to be on top of your game. And the only way you can be on top of your game is by extending your hand and receiving and accepting the scepter of power, which is semen retention. Today, you're not going to bust a nut. Yeah, no, I know. She's hot. No. You've been tempted, but no, not today. Because today, you are king. And you are established in your kingdom. Until next time, king, remember that you're king. Stay in your kingdom. Namaste.